If your kitchen counter constantly feels crowded with coffee makers, microwaves, bottles, and random cooking tools, you're definitely not alone. Many home kitchens simply weren't designed with enough prep space or smart storage in mind. You start cooking, and suddenly there's nowhere to place ingredients, nowhere to plug in appliances, and everything feels a bit chaotic. That's exactly the kind of everyday frustration the HOOBRO Kitchen Island with storage and power outlet is meant to fix. It's a compact rolling kitchen island designed to give you extra workspace, better organization, and a convenient place to plug in appliances, all without permanently remodeling your kitchen. At first glance, the HOOBRO Kitchen Island looks like a practical mix between a kitchen cart and a small workstation. The rustic brown finish paired with a dark frame gives it a warm, slightly industrial look that fits nicely in both modern and farmhouse-style kitchens. It's not overly flashy, but it has enough character that it feels like a natural addition rather than a temporary piece of furniture. The overall structure feels surprisingly sturdy for a mobile kitchen cart. The top surface gives you a comfortable prep area for chopping vegetables, setting up a coffee station, or even holding a microwave. Beneath that top layer is a middle shelf that works well for storing appliances or everyday kitchen tools you want within reach. Guardrails around the shelf and wine rack are a thoughtful addition, especially if you're storing glass bottles or bar supplies. They prevent items from sliding off when the cart is moved, which is something many similar carts overlook. Storage is where this kitchen island really becomes useful. Instead of traditional wooden drawers, it uses two large Oxford cloth drawers. At first, that might sound unusual, but in practice, they're actually lightweight, flexible, and surprisingly spacious. They work well for storing utensils, dish towels, coffee pods, or other small kitchen items you want to keep organized but out of sight. On the side of the cart, you'll also find 3 hooks that can hold mugs, utensils, or small tools you use regularly. Another standout feature is the built-in wine rack at the bottom. It holds up to 11 bottles, which makes this cart surprisingly versatile. If you're someone who enjoys wine or uses bottles regularly for cooking, having a dedicated space for them can help keep your main cabinets less cluttered. Of course, you can also use that rack for other items like drink bottles or even rolled kitchen towels. One of the most practical features here is the built-in power outlet. The cart includes 2 AC outlets and 2 USB ports connected to a long power cord. In everyday use, this becomes incredibly convenient. Instead of moving appliances around your kitchen to reach an outlet, you can plug in things like a coffee maker, blender, air fryer, or phone charger directly on the island. If you like the idea of turning part of your kitchen into a coffee or beverage station, this feature makes that setup much easier. Mobility is another big advantage. The island sits on 4 industrial-style swivel wheels that allow it to roll smoothly across the floor. If you're preparing ingredients near the stove, you can move it closer. If you're entertaining guests, it can double as a serving station or minibar cart. And when you want the island to stay in one place, the lockable wheels keep it stable so it doesn't shift while you're working. In everyday kitchen routines, this kind of flexibility makes a noticeable difference. Instead of trying to fit everything onto one crowded counter, you suddenly have a dedicated station for appliances, drinks, or food prep. Cleaning is straightforward as well. The metal frame wipes down easily, and because the shelves are open, it's simple to keep everything organized and accessible. Of course, like most rolling kitchen carts, there are a couple of things worth considering. The fabric drawers are practical for lightweight storage, but might not be ideal if you prefer solid wooden drawers for heavier items. And while the cart is sturdy for normal kitchen appliances, it's still designed to be lightweight enough to move, so it's best used for typical home cooking equipment rather than extremely heavy machines. Compared with other kitchen carts in the same price range, the HOOBRO model stands out mainly because of the built-in outlets and the combination of open shelving, hooks, and wine storage. Many carts offer drawers or shelves, but fewer combine those features with a power station and beverage-friendly design. Overall, the HOOBRO Kitchen Island with storage makes the most sense for home cooks who want a flexible workstation that can adapt to different needs. Whether you're creating a coffee bar, organizing appliances, or simply adding more prep space to your kitchen, it offers a practical solution without taking up too much room. If you want to check the latest price or see more details about this kitchen island, you can find the link down in the description. And if you enjoy practical product reviews that help make everyday life a little easier, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more kitchen and home gear reviews.